Agricultural sector is still considered to be one of the sectors with highest absorption rate of employment in Indonesia. According to Indonesia Ministry of Agriculture, 30% of total national workforce earn their main income from farming. However, the average income of these farmers is only around 9,000 rupiah per day, which indicates that they are still living below the poverty line. The Indonesian government has the duty to help these farmers to improve their economic status. According to article number 16, year 2006, the Indonesian government must provide farmers with information pertaining to technology, farming method, financial support, and market price. So, agricultural extension officers play a vital role in providing the necessary information through informal education practice. The present situation indicates that not all farmers can access the available facilitation due to the limited number of agricultural extension officers. Most of the current official extension officers are already above 50 years old. More than 27,000 extension officers, which is about half of the total number, are going to retire in 2019. Ministry of Agriculture has tried to overcome this problem by hiring young and energetic freelancers to facilitate farmers. However, due to the uncertainty in their career path and the low financial incentive, most of them are still unable to facilitate farmers to develop their farming businesses in the most optimum way. Considering the above condition, Indonesia needs a comprehensive solution by looking at the available potential in order to solve this problem. The Ministry of Agriculture has launched a cyber extension as a revolutionary tool to empower Indonesian farmers by benefiting technology. Despite the availabilities of cyber extension, a number of problems are arising. This includes a lack of infrastructures and access to computer devices, which prevent farmers from gaining optimum benefit. Meanwhile, Indonesia is currently undergoing through a digital transformation, where internet penetration level has increased by 34.9%. The Ministry of Communication and Information has recently proposed a program called Internet Masuk Desa as the government commitment to expand the internet network to rural areas. In relation to this program, I propose to develop a new model of agricultural mobile application called Indonesia Integrated Online Farming System to facilitate Indonesian farmers in rural areas to gain better access to essential information which could support them to develop their farming businesses. Indonesia Integrated Online Farming System has three main features. First is called Farmers Community. These features will enable farmers to consult their farming problem with experts from university and agricultural extension officers so they can get more accurate and appropriate information on how to solve their problem, such as how to control pests in a safer and more accessible way. The second feature is called Online Farming Market. These features connect farmers to potential consumers and create possible partnership with business stakeholders such as supermarkets or retailers. By doing so, farmers can get better share price and better access to financial support from formal institutions such as banks through the program called Kredit Usaha Energi dan Pangan. The last feature is called Daily Price Information, which allows farmers to get access to daily update on commodity prices in market. And they can also report their type of crops, amount of crops, and time of harvest. From such information, government can regulate the official minimum buying prices in order to protect farmers from the exploitation of price during harvest season. In order to create the optimum benefit for farmers, this application must be implemented in a strategic way. First, the government needs to provide each head of farmers groups and agricultural extension officer with a handset of smartphone and internet access. The government can create and initiate a partnership with private sectors which specialize in telecommunication through corporate social responsibility program. By doing so, farmers can gain better accessibility to the application. Secondly, the government must also initiate a training and socialization. It can be done by collaborating with university and the Ministry of Agriculture to provide technical training on how to operate the mobile device and application through first-hand learning method. And lastly, In the long-term implementation, this application can expand its market share to regional market. So, in the future, Indonesian farmers can directly negotiate and trade with foreign businesses units and export their harvest in a more autonomous manner and gain better profit. Hi, my name is Zamaludin Setiadiputra. I'm the representative of Bogor Agricultural University to the selection of National Outstanding Student in 2016.